皆さんこんにちは、タク先生です。In this lesson, we are going to look at nominalizers, こと and の。In order to be able to use nominalizers, こと and の, you need to know the dictionary form of do verbs. So please go and watch a video clip about dictionary form if you haven't watched.Before we talk about nominalizers, I'd like you to look at these sentences in English. I like cats. I hate fast food. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Cats, fast food, the weekend. They're all nouns. Yeah? Now I'd like you to look at these sentences. I like eat chocolate. I hate watch anime. I'm looking forward to see my friends. Are these grammatically correct? No. When you use verbs as nouns in English, you attach to or ing with verbs, yeah? So for example, to eat or eating.So we need to change them into something like I like eating chocolate. I hate watching anime. I'm looking forward to seeing my friends. What we are doing is nominalize the nouns, which is nominalization. So what is this?Nominalization is a process of turning words that aren't nouns into nouns. Now let's take a look at sentences in Japanese. 寿司が好きです。バスケットボールが得意です。魚が好きじゃないです。寿司、バスケットボール、魚。They are all nouns. So, I like sushi is 寿司が好きです。I like eating sushi. How can we say that in Japanese? If we look at eat sushi, that's 寿司を食べます。寿司を食べる。So can we say something like 寿司を食べるが好きです。Nope, we can't say that. We have to nominalize verbs like we did in English. So how can we change verbs into nouns in Japanese?Well, we have to use nominalizers こと and の together with plain form of do verbs. Plain form plus こと or plain form plus の. I'd like you to change them into nouns. Watch TV, play sports, speak Japanese, cook, don't take a shower. Please pause this and write them in your exercise book. Go!Let's check your answers. Grab your 赤ペン。1. テレビを見ること or テレビを見るの。2. スポーツをすること or スポーツをするの。3. 日本語を話すこと or 日本語を話すの。4. 料理をすること or料理をするの。5. Don't take a shower, so you have to have plain negative. シャワーを浴びる、シャワーを浴びない。Okay, you have to use plain negative. So, シャワーを浴びないこと or シャワーを浴びないの。こと and の they are interchangeable, okay? So how did you go? Now I'd like you to use nominalizers in a sentence. Please translate these sentences into Japanese. Please pause this and write them in your exercise book. Now please grab your akape and let's check your answers. Also, please repeat after me, okay? 1. テレビを見ることが好きです。2. スポーツをすることが得意です。トムくんは日本語を話すのが上手です。4. 料理することが下手です。5. シャワーを浴びないのが好きじゃないです。How did you go? In this lesson, we learned about nominalizers and how we use them in Japanese. わかりましたか? If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, okay? Well, that's all from this lesson. Well done. 大変よくできました。Looking forward to seeing you guys in other lessons. ありがとうございました。皆さん、さようなら。